भुजङ्गशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शयनं पद्मनाभं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनम् पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनम् पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्।
Namaste. Am I audible? Very good. Okay. Okay. Every time I used to ask any first timers, how many of you are repeaters here? This time, please type repeat in the chat box. Yes. Not audible? Am I not audible? No. One second, guys. Check. Yes. Am I audible? Okay, great. Little bit higher. One second, guys. Okay. Am I audible now? All good? Not okay. What happened?
You are absolutely audible, sir. I think something at the other person's net. From big, you are absolutely audible.
Okay. I guess someone else is mute.
It's not the usual, Prashant. You are audible, but the voice is faint.
No. Okay. One sec, guys. Okay. Yes. Right now? All good? Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. Lot of repeaters are there. Any first timers? All the first timers, please switch on your video. It will be helpful for adjustment. Yes. Thank you. Now, sit with your cross leg, hands on your thighs, palm facing up. No need to wear the mask. It will not transmit online. Okay, great. Thank you. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhalation, longer exhalation. One more, deeper inhalation and exhale completely. Last time, inhale and exhale. Now slowly join your palms in front of your chest. We'll start with one Om mantra and Shanti. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनेन पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। शांति शांति शांति. Slowly tie your hands back, gently bow down, touch your forehead to the ground. Pray Mother Earth for 1 hour safe practice of yoga. With the inhalation, slowly come up and gently open your eyes. Namaste. Very good. Okay. How many of you are diagnosed with positive? Any people here? If yes, please type in the chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So to become negative, you have to be positive here, not in the physical body now. First thing. Second, whatever the news which they are reporting in the media, whatever, in that 90% of people are passing away because of the fear which is happening here. So whoever are positive, stay away from the media, number one. Number two, try to go to the sunlight every day morning. Okay? Sunlight is the one which will give you, which will energize you, which will increase your immunity power, the fighting capacity. Okay? And whenever you are going in the sun, try to do some of the pranayama. I'll see if I get time today. I'll teach one pranayama which will clear your throat and increase the capacity. Okay? So no need to worry, guys. It's a normal fever and cold. It's just that some people unknowingly marketing it in a wrong way. Let us not fall in their trap. Let us take care of our Okay. There is some audio problem. Okay. So today we will start with one posture called Makarasana. Okay. Makarasana, the main important of Makarasana is it will improve the oxygen level in your body. I think I had shared it to my audience, some of the new audience I couldn't share, where a person will connect his oximeter to his body and do Makarasana, and you can observe oxygen level going up. Why? The oxygen level goes up in Makarasana because whenever you lie down on the stomach, the air starts going to the lower part of the lungs. In our regular class, we teach this. Why? Diaphragmatic breathing is important. So most of the oxygen exchange happens here. And whenever we are in fear, we only breathe through the chest. And the air doesn't reach the lower part of the lungs. Since air doesn't reach the lower part of the lungs, oxygen level will come down. So fear is also one of the main reasons why oxygen level comes down. Okay, and whenever we start doing in Makarasana, at least 5 minutes, it will automatically take the air to the lower part of the lungs and our oxygen exchange will happen very smoothly. Shall we try? Yes. So first lie down on the stomach. Your legs should be your thighs apart. What is your hip size? Hip size apart. Okay, and turn your, if possible, if you don't have any pain in the leg, turn your legs opposite direction. Heels inside, toes outside. Toes pointing opposite to each other. Okay, now elbows. Elbows, place it in a way where it creates a platform to place your forehead on your forearms. Your chest will be little off the ground. Okay, your chest will be little off the ground. And start breathing, normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. As you observe, the air will start going to the lower part of your lungs, means your abdomen will start moving up and down. This is the best posture for relaxing. Whenever you are stressed, whenever you are tired, if you lie down in this posture within 5 minutes, your all the stress and the tiredness will go off. Close your mouth, breathe through the nostril or normal breathing, guys. As you observe, your abdomen will start moving. The whole body will be absolutely still and your abdomen will start moving up and down, up and down. Continue. Forehead on the forearms. Continue. And breathe deeper and longer. Close your eyes. Continue. Focus completely on your breath. Breathe deeper and longer. Deeper and longer. Continue. 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 Now visualize or think as if your whole body is getting enough oxygen, enough air. Visualization is very important. Your whole body is getting enough oxygen it requires. Each and cell getting enough oxygen it is asking for. Your brain is getting lot of oxygen. Breathe deeper and longer. You have abundant of oxygen around you. You don't have to find it outside in a cylinder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let go and relax. Let go and relax. Relax. Just observe your abdomen. Your abdomen is moving up and down as you inhale and exhale. Breathe through the nostril. Inhale and exhale. Last 10 seconds, we will hold it in this position. Continue. Last 5 seconds. Now slowly join your feet together. Remove your hands. Turn your head one side and relax. Place your hands next to your thighs. Turn your head one side and relax. 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 Now slowly place your palms next to your chest. We'll start with a variation of Bhujangasana to open our chest. As we open our chest, lungs will have lot of space for breathing. As we open our chest, the thymus gland will activate our immune system. Inhale, raise your chest 30-degree up. Everyone, raise your chest 30-degree up, only 30-degree. Palms is just for support. Do not put weight on your palms. 5, 4, try to press your legs to the ground. Do not raise it up, press it to the ground. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly 60-degree up. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come up, 90-degree. Yes, very good. Look forward. 5, 4. Those who are feeling lot of pressure in the lower back, spread your legs. Spread your legs. Those who have lower back pain, separate your legs. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly bring your chest 60-degree again. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again 30-degree. 5. Only raise your chest up. Palms just for the support. 3, 2, and relax. Very good. Relax. Relax. Turn your head one side and relax. We'll do one more time. Continue. Hold it. Hold it. Lie down in the same position. Again, 30-degree up. Hold it. 30-degree up. Yes, very good. Hold it. Same position, everyone. Whatever we did. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly. 60-degree. Come up. 60-degree. Yes. Very good. Sushila ji, little more up. Very good. Very good. Very good. Nice one, Apurva. Veena, little more up. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come up to 90-degree. Yes. 90° completely. Very good. Look forward. 5. Good one, Ashok. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly again to 60°. Very good. Now everyone, bring your elbows closer to the body. Elbows should not be out. Bring your elbows closer to the body. Yes. 5, 4, Kiranji, wonderful. 3, 2, and 1. Now again 30°. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax. Turn your head one side and relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Whenever we are under stress, the first thing that gets affected is our back, lower back, especially lower back. The major reason for lower back pain is not sitting in the right posture, and second is the stress. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Now slowly place your palms next to your chest. Now we will do up and down 10 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Those who have back pain, separate your legs. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Up, down. Very good. Continue. Last 6 times. 6, down. 5, down. 4, down. 3, down. Good one, Devi. Continue. 2, down. Last one. And hold it, hold it, hold it. Up and hold. Very good. 5. Look forward or look up. 4, 3. Now everyone, roll your chest back. Roll your chest, push your chest forward. Roll your shoulders back, chest forward. Very good. Nice one, Sapna. Continue. 3, 2, and relax. Slowly lie down. Relax. Lie down. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Deeper, longer breathing. Continue. Relax. Last 2 breaths. Last breath. And now slowly interlock your fingers behind your hips or back. Interlock your hands. Now with the inhalation, raise your chest up, look forward. Yes, raise your chest as up as possible, look forward. 5. Pull your shoulders back. Pull your shoulders back. Very good. 4. Little more. Pull it back. Pull it back. Yes. 3. 2, and relax. Very good. Very good. Relax, Prasanna. Relax. Banuji, relax. Now, one more time. Hold your hands back. One more time. We will do the same thing. Hold your hands back. Devi, lie down. One more time. With the inhalation, raise your chest up and look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Super, super. Now slowly place your palms below your thighs. Place your palms below your thighs. Very good. Now chin on the mat. Press the chin on the mat. With the inhalation, raise your right leg up. Right leg up and hold it. 5. Little more up, everyone. Little more up. 4. Very good. Kiran, place the chin on the mat. 3. On the mat. Down, down, down. Yes. 2. Devi, don't bend the leg. Straight. And relax. Slowly bring your right leg down. Now similarly, left leg up. Very good. Good one, Malini ji. Yes. Do not fold your knees. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Relax. Now we will do dynamic movement for the right leg. 1, up. Slowly bring it down. 2, up. Slowly down. 3, up. Slowly down. 4, up. Slowly down. 5, up. Slowly down. 6, up. Slowly down. 7, up. Slowly down. 8, and down. 9, and down. 10, and relax. Wonderful. Now same thing on the left leg. Slowly. 1, relax. 2, relax. 3, relax. 4, relax. 5, up, relax. 6, up, relax. 7, up, relax. 8, very good, relax. 9, next one, little more up, relax. Last one, 10, up, and relax. Very good. Turn your head one side and relax. Turn your head one side and relax. Now, again, lie down on the stomach. Stretch your hands forward. Stretch your hands forward. Legs back. Now with the inhalation, you will be raising both the legs up, both the hands up. Legs means not like this. You have to raise the legs without bending the knees. Inhale, everyone, up. Hold it. Very good. Little more up. 5, 4. Everyone are looking like Superman. 3, 2. Smile, please. And 1. Relax. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You don't have to hold the breath. Breathe normal. Now again, one more round we will do it. Again with the inhalation, raise your hands up, legs up and head up. Very good, very good, very good. 5, nice one Sampral. 4, Jayashree, come on, little more. 3, good one Kiran. 2, Yogendra ji, little more, up. Nice one, Hari. Relax. 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 Devi, again lie down on the stomach. Yes, now we will do dynamic only 6 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last 3 times. Up, down. Up, down. Last time. Up as up as possible. And down. Relax. 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 Relax completely. Relax. Relax. Now slowly bend both the legs. Okay, sorry, only right leg. Bend your right leg. Your hands again stretch it forward. Now, with the right hand, hold your right ankle. With the inhalation, we'll raise both the legs up, hands up. Hold it. 5. Very good, Mamta. Little more up. Raise it up. 4. Very good, Vipasa. 3, 2, and relax. Super. Nice one, Jyoti. Now fold your left leg. Fold your left leg. Hold your left ankle with the left hand. And raise your both the legs up, hands up. Look forward. Very good. 5, 4. Nice one, guys. 3. Good one, Maschendra. 2. And relax. Superb, superb. Everyone doing great today. Now we will do Purna Dhanurasana, bending both the legs. Those who have severe back pain, do not do this. And others, continue. Hold your both the ankles. With the inhalation, raise your chest up, leg up, and look forward. Very good. Very good. 5, 4, 3. Now everyone try to bring your legs little closer, little closer. Yes, 2 and relax. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Nice one, guys. Relax, relax. Turn your head one side and relax. Panu, relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Now slowly place your palms next to your chest. Place your palms next to your chest and come up to Marjalasana. Now condition is shoulder and wrist in one line, hips and knees in one line. With the exhalation, pull the spine up, head down. Inhale, push the spine down, head up. Again, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Push the spine as down as possible and pull it as up as possible. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, tuck your toes, and raise your hips up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bring your right leg forward to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Yes, legs in between your hands. Now push the hips down, look forward. 5, 4, 3, Devi, look forward. 2, and now raise your chest, upper body, and push your chest up and roll your hands back and look up. Yes, very good. Those who can go down, try to touch the floor. 5, very good. Push your hips forward, everyone. Push the hips forward. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come forward. Place your palms back. Bring your front leg back. Plank pose. Hold it. 5. Hold it. 4, 3. Ashok, knees up. 2 and 1. Touch your knee, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, raise your chest up. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your left leg forward. Push your hips down. Look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly raise your chest up, head up, roll your shoulders back and push your chest towards the ceiling. Yes, 5. Nice one, Shilpa. 4. Good one, Jyoti. This will activate our thymus gland, guys. 2 and 1. Slowly place your palms down Again, bring your front leg back. Touch both the knees on the mat. Push your hips back. Go to child pose and relax. 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 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come up and sit down in Vajrasana. Sit down in Vajrasana. Those who can't sit down in Vajrasana, cross your legs and sit. Okay? All okay? Shall we continue? Good? Yes. Now slowly raise your right hand up. Left hand from the back side. Try to hold the right hand. Push your chest forward. Do not bend your head down. Head look forward and hold it. Close your eyes. If you are not able to hold your hand, use a towel or a belt. Else, just hold it like this. That's fine. Close your eyes. Breathe deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, and very good. Now same thing. Left hand up, right hand from the back. 5, 4, 3. Push your chest forward, look forward. Deeper inhalation, exhalation. 2 and 1. Relax. Relax. Now hold your, interlock your fingers back. Roll the shoulders. Roll the shoulders back. Yes. Now exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. Those who are sitting with the cross leg, try to go as down as possible. Now those who are sitting in the Vajrasana, do not raise your hips up. Hips on the heels. Hips on the heels. Do not raise it up. 4, 3, 2. Inhale, come up. Very good. Now relax. Now slowly place your right palm on the left knee, left hand back side, and twist your upper body, look back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Turn as back as possible. Twist, 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 twist. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look forward. On the other side now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Very good. Now separate your legs. Separate your legs. Okay. The main complaint of the people is some of them are getting mucus in the respiratory tract. Okay. Because of the mucus, their inhalation and exhalation is very difficult. They are complaining. So this is called Shwana Bharati or Simhasana. Okay. In this, we'll open our mouth as much as possible. Okay. and remove the tongue out and breathe through the mouth. Okay, like this. And we will relax. Okay, remove the tongue as out as possible. This will cleanse your complete respiratory tract and make it powerful, guys. Everyone, start. Devi, come on. Continue. Breathe faster, faster, harder, harder. Come on. Only last 5 times. And relax. Now give gentle massage to the throat. If you keep on doing this every day, at least twice, then there is a less chance of mucus accumulation in your respiratory tract. Shall we do one more time? Yes. Again, palm facing inside. Palm facing inside. Your weight on the front, on the hands. Open your mouth as much as possible. Remove the tongue out and start. Relax. Relax. Very good. Those who are in a profession of speaking, like a public speaker or a teacher, who want bass in their voice, heaviness, this will help you to create bass. Okay? Right. Now slowly sit down. Hug your thighs and roll only 10 times. Give gentle massage to the back. Roll, roll, roll. Continue. Continue. Continue, Devi. Very good. Come up, up. And now, those who want to lie down, you can lie down in Shavasana. Those who want to sit down, use a block or a pillow. Sit with the cross leg. Whichever posture you select, I am okay with it. But once selected, I want absolute stillness. Okay? Absolute stillness. I don't know if you want to lie down and rest, or if you are comfortable sitting down, sit down. But once you select the posture, absolute stillness. Make your spine straight. Those who are sitting, hands on your thighs, palm facing up. And those who are lying down, separate your legs, wide open your legs, separate your arms, palm facing up, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Just observe how light is your body now. How calm is your mind. How smooth is your breath. Just observe. Bring your awareness inside and just observe. If we practice this every day, if we are ready to give 1 hour of our time to our body every day, then it will take care of its own. Our immune system has capacity to fight any kind of virus. Not only this one, any virus. It's just that it should be in active state. And to keep our immune system in active state, we have to spend 1 hour on our body and mind. Let us not doubt our immune system. It is more powerful than any Covaxin or Covishield. I'm not against that, but our immune system is much more stronger than it. So let us take help of our immune system first, then any other help from the outside. With the immune system active, any other help from outside will help us. When immune system is not working, any medicine from outside will not work. So first let us activate our immune system, activate our internal energy. Internal energy is the source of everything. It is called life force. This is what makes your heart beat without your awareness. This is what will give direction to the flow of blood. It's the life force. And whenever we are in fear, stress, the life force comes down. Whenever we are calm, peaceful, the life force goes up. So it is our duty to keep ourselves calm, peaceful, so that the life force will be at the peak. So commit yourself today that every day, at least 1 hour, I'll spend on my body and mind. The whole world is going through this situation because of our ignorance, that we are running so hard that we don't know what we are running for. We don't have time for our health, time for our family, time for our children. We don't have time for anything. But still we are running, running, running. So from today, commit yourself that you will give 1 hour of time to yourself. If everyone starts giving 1 hour of your time to yourself, we don't need any hospitals. Relax. Relax. Let the life energy, let the nature take over your body. Let it heal. Let it improve your energy. Surrender yourself to the Mother Nature. Enjoy the silence that has been established within you. Enjoy.
शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् शान्ताकारं भुजङ्गशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनम् योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्
Now slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Those who are lying down, slowly turn towards your right. With the help of your left hand, slowly come up and sit down with the closed eyes. Slowly join your palms in front of your chest. We'll chant 1 Om, 3 Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let us take a moment and pray to all those one who are in need of some kind of help. Let the help reach them at the right time. Slowly rub your palms. Faster, harder. Place it on your eyes, touch your face, and gently open your eyes. Namaste. Wonderful. Okay, any question, guys? You can unmute yourself now and ask me if you have any questions.
Hello, I'm Bhanu. Hello.
Yes, Bhanumurthy, please tell me.
Sir, I am having a little bit neck pain and lower back little bit of pain are there while doing these exercises.
Little bit neck pain.
Neck,
Okay.
neck,
So
neck pain came during this exercise only. Lower back very little.
the neck pain comes because, as I told, whenever we have stress, the first will be passed to the shoulders and the back. Okay. And whenever we start stretching these muscles, it will start paining little bit. But when you practice this every day, it will reduce.
About lower little bit back pain, sir.
Lower back pain, whatever we did, if you do it for minimum 21 days, it will go off.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, Seema Krishna Prakash here from Bangalore.
Yes, Seema.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask the COVID patients now who are presently COVID patients, can they practice all these exercises?
Unless you are not feeling like breathlessness or too much of uneasiness, you can definitely practice. Go it little slow, take it very slow and go it. No issues, because this will activate this will pass on the energy to the cells. Everything is in very stressful state. And whenever you do this, it will relax your body. The breath will go, your breath will become very deep.
Okay. And any pranayama specially done for this COVID patients, can you suggest, sir?
Whatever we did, Shwana Bharati or this one, please do it every day. It will not allow accumulation of mucus or phlegm in your chest.
Okay. Thank you very much for the very special session.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Anybody else?
Hi, sir. Harish here.
Yes, Harish.
Yeah, I like that. So when we do Makarasana 90 degree, go 90 degree. So you told that to turn the palms towards outside. So then I would able to go to the 90 degree. So that was amazing. So so we would like to get it more these techniques to turn, stretch or anything. So that would be great help from you. If we get.
In the free class, I'll give as much as possible. Our free class will be every Sunday and Wednesday, guys. Anybody can attend. So apart from that, we have the regular class where we do little more deeper into each and every concept. Okay. As of now, in the free class, how much ever I can give, I'm giving. Okay. Great.
Okay. Because see, we have too much heavy body and everything. So yeah, hope you understand.
Good morning, Guruji.
Yes. Who's this?
Guruji, I have one question.
Please ask me.
Actually, I am having a lower back pain. So what need to be done to recover?
Whatever we did today, you have to do it every day for next 21 to 30 days. Do it as much as possible. Do not push too much. If you do it in a regular manner every day in a very careful way, then your lower back pain will reduce within 30 days.
Okay. Thank you so much. This is wonderful.
See what is there in here. How much stress you have. After doing 30 days also, if you carry lot of stress, it will not go. Okay. First cleanse here. Thank you.
Guruji, can we have the recording of this session?
Recording, yes, I'll see if I can send the recording. Yes.
Moreover, like we have a bit more belly and lying down on stomach for more time. It adds, it pains a lot. So can we still continue or?
So first thing, take care of Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah.
Second, very important, Madhya Pradesh always can be taken care by how you eat the food, not how much you eat the food, how. So one simple process. First, whenever you are eating, see if you are calm from within. That is why earlier we used to do some prayer before eating so that we are mentally calm. Because if you are not calm, you will eat like you don't know how much chapati you finished, how much rotis you finished. You will be watching here and there and eating. Awareness. Eat with awareness. And second, chew the food. Chew enough time. This will help 50% of your weight. Okay.
And how often do we have these sessions?
We do every Sunday and Wednesday free classes, and regular classes every day morning 6:30 to 7 and evening 7 to 8.
Okay. So what is the procedure to join the regular classes then?
I'll post a link, one sec.
Okay.
Please, those who are interested in regular classes, please fill the form which is in your chat box. Our team will get back to you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is the morning time for regular session?
6:30 to 7:30.
6:30 to 7:30.
Yes.
Sir, this is Ashwant here.
Yes, Ashwant.
I have a question.
Please.
Can elderly people do this procedures, whatever you have taught? And also, can a pregnant woman do this?
Elders, absolutely yes. If they are physically little bit okay, they can definitely do. And pregnant ladies, we have complete different procedure for them. They should not do. We have a complete different program for pregnant ladies. So a prenatal yoga we do. That will be a complete different concept where we will try to play with the energies, not with the physical thing.
Okay. So the same link can be used for registration?
Okay. Those who have specific questions, here is my number. Drop a message. Either if anything important, I'll call you back. Else, I'll reply on the message. Or if you want to write a mail, this is my email ID. info@prashantsavanur.com. You can reply, you can drop a mail. I will really get back to you as soon as possible. Okay.
Basically, you are from?
Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Prashant. Actually, I'm from Bangalore. Basically, I was a software engineer. From last 4 years, I'm into yoga. We are teachers from Rishikesh. We are a group of teachers who are running this school. And I am an author also. I have published a book. Apart from that, yes, that's it. We have a digital marketing company also. We do these sessions from last 4 years, but from last March COVID lockdown to this time, we have reached around 2,500. But from last Friday to this Sunday, we have reached 1,000 people teaching free yoga, because that is how we can contribute to the society. But there are many COVID warriors who are going on the field and helping others, and we can contribute with this process. So any of your friends who need help or who need some kind of positive environment, you can bring them to the next class, which is happening on Wednesday 7 to 8 in the evening. Okay, 7 to 8. Your friends.
Thank
you so much for this free section, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll definitely share your link and number with my friends who are COVID positive and who are going negative. I'll definitely share with them. Thank you so much for contributing a great.
Come to the next free class.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for giving your time. We will see you on Wednesday evening. Any other questions if you have, please drop it on chat box. Link for that class on Wednesday, you will get it on to your SMS or WhatsApp in another 1 hour. Okay. Asanas for constipation. Constipation first, the issue is with the heat in the body. You have to check how to reduce the heat. So find out some Ayurvedic doctor or drop a message to us. We will help. Thank you, Manjusha. Thank you, Ramakrishna. Anybody else? Hang on. Sushila. Great. Can you get the recording? I'll try to send the recording, guys. Okay, I guess I have answered all the question. Please share today's class video. Okay, okay. See you guys. See you soon on the Wednesday evening session. Till then, take care. Namaste. Have a great day. Please take care of yourself and help others if possible. If you are in a situation to help others with some positive words, some caring words. They are really in need of it because the whole society are in fear. And nothing has happened actually, but the media is propagating. There are many good things happening. So, if possible, try to get them to the classes, or if you have a positive group, Sangha, then help them with that. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Namaste.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Devi. Bye-bye.